From fish and lentils to the yogurt-based pakora curry, a handful of curry leaves is enough to make your meals aromatic and tasty with absolutely no leftovers left behind. Hello DocTree family, we hope you are well and watching our videos. Today I bring to you a renowned leafy herb. When added to your meals, it provides for amazing aroma to your food being cooked. This here is a plant of Kadi patta, also known as curry leaves and even as sweet neem. The leaves are harvested and added both fresh or as dried seasoning to the food items. It is one of the most favorite ingredients for subcontinental food in countries like India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Curry leaves plant can be easily grown in large size pots and in open space. The size of the plant depends upon the space dedicated for the plants and its roots. It is a very easy to grow plant. Not only do it turns meals aromatic and delicious, it is healthy as well. Let us now quickly glance through the nutritional values of both the fresh and the dried curry leaves. We are now here at Dr. Fahad's place and Ryan here is making a few harvests of curry leaves. These will definitely be enough for today's meal. Viewers, we will be definitely using this harvest in our meals today while storing rest of it for future. Just make sure it is thoroughly dried. If you enjoyed and learned from our video, then do press the circle on your screens and subscribe to DocTree Gardening channel. Share our videos with your friends and family. Don't forget to post your feedback in the comment section. It's me, Dr. Lee from the team DocTree signing off. Take care.